How to view previous Discord servers you joined. Hello Discord users, interested in revisiting Discord servers you've joined in the past but can't remember their names. Let's explore how to easily view the previous Discord servers you've joined. Let's get started. Start by launching the Discord app on your device. Enter your credentials to access your Discord account. Once you're logged in, locate and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the user settings menu. In the User Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Account Settings to access your Discord account settings. In the Account Settings menu, tap on Servers to view the list of Discord servers you've joined in the past. This will display a comprehensive list of all the servers you're currently a member of, as well as servers you've previously joined. Scroll down the server list to browse the servers you've previously joined. Once you've found the server you want to revisit, simply tap on it to join and access its content. You'll be able to participate in discussions, view channels, and interact with other members just like before. Now that you've rejoined the Discord server, take some time to explore its channels and engage with the community. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and enjoy being a part of the conversation once again. Happy chatting, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.